guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey guys, generation 2000, 2009 to 2019, and we'll show you how to remove and replace license plate light bulb. So, okay, if your license plate light bulb doesn't work, okay, check out like this one here. You can see it's not working at all. So we'll show you guys what you need to do and how to fix that. So stay with us and we'll show you guys. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. So please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully we can save you so much money. So let's start on it now. So if both of the bulbs do not work, then you have most likely a bad fuse. Ours is just one. So doesn't matter if you have left or right side not working, the procedure for removing and replacing will be the same. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, what do you need to do? Okay, let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. Okay, right here there is one plastic tube that you need to press in with a screwdriver, press in and then pull that side out. Now, right here you can see this is where the bulb is inside. You need to pull that thing out. So just grab it, turn it a little bit and pull. Okay, like that. This is the bulb guys. It's very important now, don't hurt yourself how you grab it, because that thing can break in your hand. So you need to just grab it with 2 fingers, okay, and pull it out. Just wiggle it a little bit so that can help. Okay. All the parts and tools that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below, including that bulb, so you can see where we get them from, and if you need to find one, you don't need to waste time finding one. That's for your convenience. So we'll get one of the new bulbs now. Okay, this is it. That's what it looks like. Perfect, right here. And all we have to do now, okay, doesn't matter which way you install it, left or right. All we have to do just push it in. Push it in really, all the way in. Okay. This one didn't go in. It will be very tight. Okay, like that. Perfect. Now we can go ahead. Okay, install it now. This thing goes only one way, I think. Perfect. It's a little bit tight. And now turn to lock it. Push on the left side. Then push on the right side. Now let's see if they work, both of them. Okay, one more time. Yep, you can see both light bulbs work. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.